Looking for a Honeywell 527 SHON 100 BLK 12-watt roof-mount solar-powered attic fan? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 best Honeywell 527 SHON 100 BLK 12-watt roof-mount solar-powered attic fan available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect solar attic fan for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the eco-worthy solar-powered attic fan. This fan impressed us with its CFM rating, high efficiency, easy installation, versatility, portability, and affordability. The eco-worthy is primarily a gable attic fan, but it can also be used in other places like sheds, boats, RVs, roofs, coops, and more. It appears to be the only solar attic fan on the market that can be used so broadly. This makes it a great choice if you need a fan for a unique application. Installation is easy, even if you're not an experienced handyman. The fan comes with all the hardware you need, and the instructions are clear and easy to follow. Once installed, the fan is very efficient and will help to keep your attic cool and ventilated. The eco-worthy 25W solar fan is an excellent choice for anyone in the market for a solar attic fan. It's a versatile and affordable option that will serve you well for many years to come. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Natural Light Solar Attic Fan. This roof-mounted solar attic fan has a CFM rating of 1881, which is only bested by the eco-worthy. 1 unit of this solar attic fan would suffice in the attic space of up to 2825 square feet, bringing the attic temperature down efficiently. It should be mentioned that this product is not suitable for flat roofs. This product is best used with roofs whose slope falls between 3/12 and 12/12. It is made of high-quality materials. The aluminum material confers resistance to water, impact, and corrosion to the product, adding to its overall durability. Unlike the eco-worthy, this fan cannot work at voltages as low as 4 volts. However, the solar panel produces more solar power. The solar panel of this small solar attic fan is adjustable within a 45-degree angle. Apart from that, you have the option to get the snap-on thermostat if you need it. This product comes with a 25-year warranty, which is about the highest one can get. Only the Amtrak 50-watt and the Amtrak 70-watt match this warranty. At number 3 on our list, we have the iLiving Hybrid Solar Roof Attic Exhaust Fan. The iLiving Hybrid Attic Exhaust is one of the most durable and powerful solar-powered attic fans on the market. With a water resistance rating of IP68, it can withstand being submerged in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes and is made of aluminum and steel for extra durability. It also has a higher attic venting capacity than most other solar-powered fans at 1750 CFM, making it perfect for cooling an attic space of up to 2,500 square feet. Additionally, the solar panel is adjustable within a 45-degree angle, so you can ensure it's getting the maximum amount of sunlight possible. At number 4 on our list, we have the Remington Solar Attic Fan. The Remington Solar Attic Fan is one of the best on the market for a variety of reasons. Firstly, it comes with a number of add-on features which make it even more effective. Secondly, it is made from high-quality materials which make it durable and resistant to corrosion and impact damage. Thirdly, it is easy to install and comes with an adjustable solar panel. Finally, it has a high attic venting capacity. All of these factors make the Remington an excellent choice for anyone looking for a solar attic fan. At number 5 on our list, we have the Amtrak Solar Attic Fan 50 Watt. The Amtrak Solar Attic Fan 50 Watt is a great choice for those looking for a solar-powered attic fan. It offers a high CFM rating, uncomplicated installation, high 50-watt solar panel, and a prolonged warranty period. The Amtrak Solar Attic Fan 50 Watt has a CFM rating of 1760, which is lower than what the eco-worthy and the Natural Light offer, but 1 unit will do enough for the attic ventilation of a 2250 square feet space. This attic fan is easy to install, with wires that are easy to connect, and a fan blade that is simple to set up. It also comes with a 25-year manufacturer warranty, which is the maximum you can get in the industry. Plus, only the Amtrak 70 watt and the natural light match up in terms of warranty period. This attic fan is a solar gable vent, but it can also be used in garages, greenhouses, RVs, cabins, and many other places. The versatility of the Amtrak is on par with that of the eco-worthy. At number 6 on our list, we have the Amtrak Solar Attic Fan 70 watt. The Amtrak Solar Attic Fan 70 watt is a top-of-the-line product that offers the highest wattage of any solar attic fan on the market. This fan is easy to install, has a high CFM rating, and can be used in various places. It also has a long warranty coverage. The top feature of this product is its 70-watt solar panels, which offer the highest power output of any solar attic fan. With such power, you are assured of an intense performance from your attic fan. The installation process for this fan is pretty straightforward. As long as there is a hole in your gable, you can assemble the parts and do the installation yourself. This solar gable vent can also be used in the garage, greenhouse, or RV. At number 7 on our list, we have the Amtrak Solar Powerful 70-watt attic fan. For any solar fan to perform well, it will need power from a solar panel. If the solar panel is low wattage, the fan motor will not get enough power to run the fan. Amtrak Solar provides 70-watt high-quality crystalline solar panel. This fan, it could be installed in the gable vent or anywhere in the attic. This is a 12-volt DC fan configured to work with the solar panel. The fan turns on as soon as the sunlight hits the solar panel and runs all day. Keeps the house cool and ventilated with fresh air circulation all day. Does not require to make holes in the roof to install solar fan. It can be installed in gable vent. No need of electricians, no permits, no inspections. Wiring is quick and easy. The solar panel generally produces power for over 30 years. Full refund if the product is defective. The fan has high-efficiency fan blades for best performance. Solar panels come with 6 mounting brackets for the solar panel. Instructions are included. At number 8 on our list, we have the GBGS Solar Attic Fan. A smart power controller is included to allow automatic switching of the PO supply between solar panel and AC/DC power adapter. Solar power works when solar energy is equal and greater than 14 V. Solar plus electric work together when solar energy is greater than 0, but less than 14 V. Electric power works when solar energy is 0 V. This solar fan even works on rainy days. Quiet and waterproof brushless DC motor, 14 inches nylon fiber aluminum blades, 7 blades not 3 galvanization steel housing and mounting frame. Solar wall exhaust fans can be assembled TOGETHER. Note, please buy extra screws front side metal mesh, roof wall mounted. At number 9 on our list, we have the Solar Attic Fan, the Solar 19WMODSNV. The solar attic fan extends the life of roofing materials, shingles and wooden trusses by keeping the attic-related surfaces dry and free from fights moisture damage and mildew. The solar attic fan extends the life of air conditioners as they will require less usage due to lower temperatures in the home. Lower temperatures will trigger the AC on switch less frequently. The solar attic fan was developed to be as simple and environmentally slimmed down as possible to avoid inclusion of unnecessary and bulky additional materials such as batteries, extra solar panels, timers, controls and regulator components. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the 40-watt solar attic fan. Finding moisture damage in your home can cause severe consequences to your home's value and your family's health. This solar exhaust fan is fueled by the sun and automatically combats moisture. Heat and moisture damage your attic and can create huge repair bills. Remington Solar's roof fan includes an adapter to run at night, as well as a humidistat and thermostat to automatically change airflow based on your attic's needs. This brushless motor creates no friction and turns your motor without wear, giving your solar roof fan a longer life. It's also near inaudible and comes with a Texas windstorm document. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.